Okay, today chapter 3 leaf. Having learnt about different types of plants, let us now know more about the very important part of the plant, the leaf. The green colored parts attached to the branches are seen in all the plants. Each of these green part is known as a leaf of the plant. It means green part of a plant is leaf. What will be the definition? Green part of the plant, it is a leaf. The leaf is a very important and essential part of the plant. It plays a key role in making food for the plant. Who makes food for the plant? Leaf. Leaves of different plants differ in their shape, size and texture. This can be noted by looking at the picture of the leaves of different plants. Here it is here given different types of, you may see here, this is a peepal leaf. Usage of leaf. Now certainly there is use of leaf. Plant leaves play an important role in our daily life. We put them to many uses. In olden days, people used to write on some types of leaves. In southern parts of India, banana leaves are often used as plates for eating food. A sant writing on a leaf. In the earlier time, ancient time, sant were writing on leaf. Food is being served on a banana leaf. You may observe in South India this time also food is serving on banana leaf. People often use tulsi leaves while making tea. It helps to cure cough and cold. People in India generally grow a tulsi plant in their courtyard. Here tulsi, you know, it is a worship. We worship tulsi plant, you know. Here you know about tulsi. It is also a medicinal plant. Neem leaves are help to protect clothes and other items from insects. Leaves of neem and basil are also used for medicinal purposes. Okay. Leaves of some plants are used to make food look nice and attractive. You must have seen your mother garnishing food with coriander. Food with coriander, dhania, mint, pudina and curry leaves. These leaves also add aroma to the food. Here neem leaves. Curry leaves are good for eyesight and help to cure diarrhea. It is used for diarrhea. We also eat the leaves of many plants as vegetables. You must have eaten vegetables made from spinach, mustard, fenugreek and cabbage leaves. Here you may see. Leaves have become a part of our daily life in very many different ways. We often see pictures and drawings of leaves at many places. Curtain designs, sari borders, paintings, rangoli and temple carvings often have leaf designs on them. This makes them look beautiful and attractive. You may see, observe. Shading of leaves. Now you know anything which is growing, certainly they will fall one day. So same thing is happening with plant also. Shading of leaves. In certain seasons of the year we see very many leaves lying on the lawns and the roads. This shows that the leaves of plants are not permanent. They remain on the plant only till they are able to perform their function well. When they become old, the plant shed them off, new leaves then grow up to take. And at that place, new leaves will grow. The shedding of leaves also help the plant to throw out the harmful waste that get collected in its old leaves. Their place. The old leaves keep on getting shed and new leaves keep coming in their place. You may observe in this figure shedding of leaves. Compost the leaves. Manure. Leaves is used as compost. What should we do with the leaves that have been shed by trees and plants? We should collect and dump the fallen leaves along with our kitchen waste in a pit. This waste can then be covered with moist soil. When this is left as such for 2 or 3 months, it becomes compost. It means you may turn shedding leaves as a compost. This compost can then be used in fields. It helps the plants and crop to grow better. Okay, you may see here. Collected fallen leaves, compost. Now keywords: aroma, fragrance, nice smell, convenient, faithful, suited to your comfort, essential, necessary, garnish, something added to a dish to add flavor or to decorate it, texture, the feel of a surface, rough or smooth. Now question time. Now question time. Class 3, chapter 3. D. First, it plays a key role in making food for the plant. Used to write some types of leaves, garnishing, medicinal purposes, sari borders and rangoli. Fifth, compost helps the plants and crops to grow better. E. First, second, third. Compost is made with materials such as leaves, shredded twigs and kitchen scraps from plants. Compost can help improve plant growth and health. Okay, that's all. Thank you.